Signal come from this, suppose let's say collaboration era, but in this era and as this telescope, there are the ionosphere. This ionosphere basically do phase shift or time dependent phase shift of this signal. So this gives us this direction dependent term. So ultimately we live with all these things. We have this visibility data and we want to find this image of the sky, but we have this gain, this bandpass, this direction function, data function, all these things. So to make image, we one by one find all these stuff, then we can get the image. So first, if we look this direction independent term, that basically the term outside of the integral. So bandpass is not, I am not considering that the bandpass is a big thing. So we just grab bandpass and this time dependent gain with GAB. So we find this gain using calibration. Calibration is compare with what we know. Basically, we know a calibrator. Calibrator is a known source that we know this visibility of the calibrator. By this known visibility, we observe this data, and by this equation we can find this gain. Like we show a target source, then we know this. Suppose this is the calibrator source. So at a time we see this calibrator visibility that we know. Then we see the target. Then again we see this calibrator visibility. So we just interpolate the gain between this region and find the gain of our observation. So we take over of the gain. Next, the direction dependent. This direction dependent curve, as you see, this comes from the ionosphere. So we have a dark image, right? This dark image, there are different sources. Like in this picture, suppose we have this 10 source, some bright source and different. So in direction dependent gain, what we do, we first consider the most brightest source. Then we take it as to phase center and find gain due to this thing and apply with all these sources. And then come to the next brightest source. So in this way, we find this direction dependent gain. Then we take over this direction dependent gain. Then we find antenna function. Antenna function basically there are different model of this antenna function. So that I am not discussing. So somehow we can find this antenna function. Then we will find all these things and we get this thing. Now we can just inverse Fourier transformation and we get an image. So this basically there are different method to formation of image. I have no good knowledge of this thing. So like clean in this technique we can